You guys, I am heading out. I am going to lunch with a friend. I've never gone to this place before. This is a place that she found, she picked. I looked it up online, you guys, and it looked like a really nice place. I've never been there before, so I really don't know, to tell you the truth. So I'm thinking, what kind of fragrance am I gonna wear? And last night I knew we were gonna go, and I was like, okay, what fragrance? So I was thinking I was gonna wear this fragrance. Do you guys know anything about this? This is Gucci. Gucci Bloom is from the Gucci Bloom family, and it's Norarte de Fori. Last night when I went to bed, I told myself that was the fragrance I was gonna wear. I'm like, okay, that's what we're gonna wear. We're gonna wear Norarte de Forte, whatever, Gucci Bloom. Wake up this morning and I'm not in that mood. I smelt it, I'm like, it's good. But okay, afterwards, I need to tell you the whole story. So afterwards, I leave there. I'm going to a basketball game. I don't know. This is kind of sweet. It's kind of muggy. It would be great for cool weather. And here in LA, it cannot keep winter weather at all. We're already in 70, 80 degree weather. So girl, what are you wearing? You guys, let me show you what I am going to wear. I wanted something fresh. I didn't want to be sticky. So anyhow, yeah, I was going to wear that. And now I have to put this on. It didn't have enough sparkle in that lip because I'm going very basic. This is a very low-key Saturday. I just am not doing the most. I'm not doing, well, she's always doing the most, let's just be honest. But I'm not really doing the most. My hair is very just, you know, I'm not going to do anything to it. Okay, so the fragrance that I'm going to wear, something light, something fresh. It's not like really a clean, but it's definitely a light fresh. And I'm going with none other. Like I said, I wanted to go for the Gucci Bloom last night. That's what I had my heart set on. And then as soon as I got up and I got dressed and I felt the vibe, I was like, my mood changed. So you guys do that. Hit the like button if you get up and you just totally go with what kind of mood you're in. That's how you pick your fragrance. That's what I do. Hit the like button if that's what you do. Hit the like button if that's not what you do. Hit the subscribe button if you want to find out what to do. No, but seriously, that's what I did. So I woke up and I'm like, I'm not feeling that. I'm going this route. And I am going with Wood Sage and Sea Salt by Jo Malone. Perfect fragrance. This is what I feel. This is what the vibe is calling. It's girls' lunch. We're just meeting for a lunch. It's not going to be dark and heavy, so I don't want something too dark, heavy. I wanted to go with something a little bit more winter appropriate, but however, it's hot as fire outside, so that's not really a need. It's hot, but not really hot, but it's hot enough, you know, to get away with this. You need a jumper, like a sweater, a little light coat, but not really a jacket or anything like that. I'm just overdoing it with this. I'm always cold. I'm that girl that's always cold. When you go out, it's like, oh my God, I need a jacket. I'm her. So I'm just wearing this jumper to just stay warm because I don't know what the restaurant is going to be like. Like I said, I've never visited there before. I went online. I looked to see what they have so I know what to order. You know, I've already done my research. And it may be cold inside. They may sit us outside on the patio. They did have patio seating. So I just want to be prepared. I also have a little scarf because, you know, I love a scarf. I love a cape coat. I love anything that just is, you know, I don't know, a little extra piece of clothing. I'm that girl. So I am going to go at Wood Sage and Sea Salt by Jo Malone. I know that this fragrance is not long lasting. That's okay. I'm going to take this with me in my handbag. It's a very little, bottle, so I can put this in my handbag, and if I need to freshen up, it'll be okay. I am going to be going to the basketball game after, so I'll probably be sitting in close quarters with someone and don't really want to offend them or be off-putting with my fragrance. So this is nice, fresh, it's light, and it won't be off-putting or in your face or anything like that. So that was my reasoning from choosing this. I did layer it with a Jo Malone body cream. Is this a body cream? Ooh, my favorite to say, it's a body crops. Oh, it's a body crops, and this is lime basil and mandarin. And you know, if you go on Jo Malone's website, they have something on there where you can look at the different fragrances and see which ones they pair best with. That is another reason why I do love Jo Malone fragrances, because you can pair them. You know what I mean? You can just pair them, layer them, see what you like, make your own fragrance. I wasn't looking for it to be very, oh my gosh, I am so ashy again. I mean, with this weather, you just can't stay hydrated. One day it's cold, one day it's hot. I'm so over it, you guys. But anyhow, yeah, so that's, oh, this is so good. This lime basil is the truth. Oh my, what is it? Lime basil and mandarin body cream Privé crops. Okay, I could have made that Privé part up. It looked like that's what it said, you guys. I try, okay? Let me give you some of the notes because I know you're going to want to know. Hold on. Let me find my phone. Giving you some of the notes inside of this Wood Sage and Sea Salt. It's very fresh. I believe it's amberette, Amberette seeds, sea salt, and sage. That's all it says here. It's good, it's fresh, it's light, it's perfect for the mood. It smells like outdoors. You know, it references itself as to being outside, being near the pier, the ocean, fresh, aquatically, that type of scent. But for me, it's just really good because it's pretty, it's light, it's pretty. I don't know, what do you guys do? When you meet someone you haven't seen in a while, they're your friend, you're getting together, do you greet with a warm hug? Or do you do French kiss? Or do you just say, hey, how's it going? We don't need to get that close. I've had those too. I'm just saying, there's no need to be fake about it. You know how you feel about me, I know how I feel about you, but we're good, okay? I tweeted that the other day. I'm good on you, you're good on me, but we'll never be cool. Take a second. Let that mander, let that fester, let that process. It's a really mature moment when you can feel that way about someone. Why we got in this deep conversation, you guys have no idea. I'm just saying, I tweeted that and I got a lot of response back. Yes, you guys, I'm on Twitter. Hello? I don't have many followers over there. And I don't have a large account, but I tweet, okay? I don't really know the whole purpose of it though, because I'm like, who am I talking to? And then people will just come back and start talking to me and I'm like, oh, so people are reading this stuff. Okay, so that's what I tweeted and that's just what it is. And it's okay. I have been, you know, able to do that in my life with certain people. You know, I've learned to compartmentalize people. Girl, we are here to talk about a fragrance. You guys, I go off on tangents, okay? I do that and I do it a lot. And it's just who I am. So anyways, back to the fragrance. That's what I'm wearing. Wood Sage and Sea Salt by Jo Malone. I'm all or nothing. I'm that kind of girl. I'm all or nothing. Either I want a big pungent punch, you know, a big, you know, dramatic, sexy, sensual type fragrance for a date night. Either I want something very whimsical, floral-y, but not too floral because I don't like too much sweet. Something like that. Either I want a fresh, bright, clean, or either I just want to lay low. And it's a low-key Saturday. I don't think I'm going to do very much today. I've got some errands to run, a couple of gifts to buy for friends, and I think that's going to be it. So that's my Saturday. That's what I'm doing. Other than that, you guys, it has been real. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate this. You guys, if you're liking the quick Fridays, you know, what I'm wearing for the weekend, let me know, and also thumbs up this video. That way I'm able to tell that you're really liking it. I always tell you, I like to do content that you like as well as myself. That way it just makes the best rolls for both of us. Okay, other than that, I do need something to call Friday. So if you have a name, put my rings back on. I'm gonna be out and about, okay? I'm gonna put my wedding ring on. Hello, she's a married woman. Anyways, let me know if you have a name that we should name Fridays. I don't know. Did you see the name I put in the last video? FFF, Triple F, Fabulous Fragrance Fridays. But if I put that on, people are not going to know what I'm talking about or what I mean. So if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comment section below. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have to go. Somebody's calling me. I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye, guys. Oh my goodness. Hello.